Now I'm gonna show you this shoe. Um, this shoe is the doctor prescribed extended collar with buckles, straps and buckles. Okay, so this shoe is this one, right? So what I do is I put a piece of paper, it's folded in half, like that. So then make sure this is straight here. Okay, so you got to make a pattern. So we trace first the collar itself there, and then we trace what we want to do. In this case is about 2 inches, 2.5 inches. So now you guys that tracing. So we end up with this piece. This is the pattern for the collar. Okay, so we cut the leather, right? The first piece, of course, we got two pieces. The first piece we cut it exactly like this, and the second one we cut it like a 1/4 inch more, so it's easier to stitch together. If you are really good, you can just cut it exactly the same. I'm not that good, so you got to leave it some. Alright, so then the inside is